This luxury single family in the heart of Union Square leaves nothing to be desired. Welcome to 9 Vinyl Avenue. 9 Vinyl Avenue consists of 4 levels of living, including an in-law apartment down on the lower level, as well as a vast open living space on the first floor. You'll also enjoy outdoor space with a massive yard and a top floor roof deck for your enjoyment. Thanks for taking a look at Somerville's newest single family. We're excited to see you at open houses this weekend. For more information, go to santan.com.